Keep those legs high, almost there. Halfway there for the last time. We're heading into our rest period now. Catch your breath, refocus, because the last exercise is coming up next. Last 30 seconds. Give it your absolute best. Final 15 seconds. Finish strong. Great job, everyone. We did it. We finished strong. Final minute of work. Let's go.
This is the final rep on the right. Keep your hips and obliques engaged as you slowly lower the leg with control.
Halfway there on the right. The very last one. Finish with power. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Final halfway there. Almost done.
You finished the workout. Great job. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations, you did it. Want faster results? Bookmark this link. Do this every day for the next 30 days. Don't forget to subscribe for more workouts. Ready for real change? Try the 5-minute standing routine and see results in just 10 days.
Keep your core tight for every move.
I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Keep it up.
Breathe deep during your rests.
Draw a big circle with your knee to wake up your lower abs.
And save your joints while burning fat.
And reach. Really feel that stretch. Keep your energy up. We are stronger together.
See you tomorrow.
Keep that core pulled in tight throughout the set. Continue the side bend, lengthening those lateral obliques. Really focus on the stretch and squeeze technique right here. All right, team, day 5. You are officially halfway to your goal. Keep it up. Flat back, don't round those shoulders. Halfway there. Feel that burn in the obliques. Deep inhale, exhale, and roll your shoulders back. When that timer hits 0, we start the knee hits, max intensity. Get ready for the burn. 3, 2, 1. Go. Power knee drives. Crunch. Explosive movement. Keep that bounce going. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15 seconds left. Don't slow down. Keep moving, shake out those legs. Remember to exhale sharply on the knee drive. We're starting the left side soon. Same energy, other side. Let's go. Halfway there. Keep those hands moving. Slow and steady for this one. 3, 2, 1, go.
Mia performs the hip swirls by lifting her knee and rotating it in a wide outward circle.
Halfway there. Keep that balance. Great job on that balance. Up next, leg kicks. Kick high and reach. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Halfway there. Keep that momentum. Doing amazing. Catch your breath now, because the final power move is next. This is the final push. Give it all you've got. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 15 seconds to a new you. Great work. One last move on each side. Final minute. Stay focused. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Halfway there for the last time. Take a breath. You're doing amazing. It's the final round of cross-toe reaches to fully stretch the hamstrings and contract the abs. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Final 15 seconds. Keep it moving. Get ready for the finale. Knee hits coming up. Give it your absolute all. 3, 2, 1, go. "15 seconds left on this side. Stay with me. One more side, then we're almost home. The very last set of knee hits. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Final 15 seconds. Don't stop now. Focus on your balance, almost done. 3, 2, 1, go, go. Halfway there. Stay tall. Great job. Only one more power move to go. Last set of kicks. Give it some height. 3, 2, 1, go, go. Keep that energy up. We're doing the alternating leg kicks, touching your toes with the opposite hand. Breathe through it. Halfway there for the last set. Keep it up. Catch your breath, we're almost there. 10 seconds recovery before we crush this last segment. This is it. Everything you've got for the last 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Final 15 seconds. Finish like a pro. You did it. Amazing work. Final minute of the challenge. Let's go. Halfway there. Only 30 seconds of work left in the whole workout. Squeeze those obliques at the bottom. Final cross toe reach for the hamstrings and lower abs. Ready for the last set? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, final alternating toe reaches. Keep that core tight and breathe through the movement. Halfway there. Keep that focus. Take a breath. Next up is the knee hit. Last set of knee hits. Give it your all. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Halfway there. Keep that heart rate up. Deep breaths, everyone. We're almost ready for the final 30-second cardio push. Let's finish strong. Last set on this side. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. Finish strong. Excellent work pushing through those knee drives. Now, active recovery. Keep that body moving gently or stand tall with me. Breathe in and out. Final balance test. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. Almost done. The last 30 seconds. Give it everything. 3, 2, 1, go. Final 15 seconds. Finish strong. That's it. We absolutely crushed that workout. Amazing job. Congratulations, you did it. Want faster results? Bookmark this link. Do this every day for the next 30 days.
Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Don't forget to subscribe for more workouts.
See the difference in just 10 days with this daily 5-minute routine.
Lift from the hip, not the foot. to really feel the burn in your glutes.
Don't break the streak. You're 10 days away from a flatter belly.